Marriage is a gift from God. It's a commitment to be celebrated and to be honored. Donna and Bill, we gather with you this afternoon to promise our love and support to you as a couple. The most precious gift is standing right beside you, gifts that will last a lifetime.
I wished the stars to shine. I prayed the moon would follow behind and roll the dark away. Reveal your face, all that I wanted to do was see you.
I, Donna,
Have taken you, Bill,
to
be my husband,
be my husband,
and I promise to love
and I promise to love
and to trust you from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, as we continue to grow
in
in our love for each other.
our love for each other.
I will stand by you,
I will stand by you,
speak the truth to you, and seek to live each day
as
as a gift of God,
gift to God,
as long as we both
as long as we live.
I wanted to do was see you every day is a better day, and every night becomes a better night, and every place the sun will always shine a brighter way when I see your face.
Before I met Donna, my mom, she lived next door to me for many years, and every time I used to go over there, she'd say, "Honey, I'm praying the rosary. I'm praying the rosary that you're going to meet somebody that's going to take care of you for the rest of your life, and you're going to fall in love." And it's like, I said, "Mom," I said, "I appreciate that, but I mean, 59 years old. I mean, the train left the station, right?" So then all of a sudden, 3 minutes later, I met this woman, Donna. It's like, my gosh. I says, how lucky can a guy be to meet a woman like this? I mean, she's gorgeous. I love you. You're the best thing that ever happened to me. And for those prayers to come true was everything. In closing, I'd like to say one thing is, honey, we married in Maui. Yeah, baby.
Love with you, it's the only place I want to be, my love, 'cause that's what you are. You are my best friend, my love, my love. And you are the someone that I've been dreaming of.
Every wedding has a theme, and our wedding, as you said, our theme was family. We took you guys on our wedding, our honeymoon. It just meant the world to us. Here's to all of you. And now to my husband, I want to say that as I got to know you, I would have been honored to call you my friend.
And now your husband.
And now I am so blessed to be able to call you my husband.
Thank you, honey.
Felt like I could fly. You are my best friend, my love, my love. And you are the someone that I've been dreaming of. You are my best friend, my love.
My friends, by making your promises before God, I proclaim that you have made your commitment to one another. Blessed be the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit, now and forever. You may now seal your marriage with a kiss.